This is the land that raised us. Aotearoa. Wild, free, sacred. But even the strongest rivers can be polluted. Even the tallest mountains can be scarred. We are WestFlow, a ministry born not in wealth or comfort, but from hardship, from healing, from hope. We are the ones who know what it's like to be cast aside, to battle addiction, to walk through homelessness with nothing but dreams, and a deep sense that something better is possible. So we clean, we restore the land, and we restore ourselves. Every bag of rubbish cleared, every overgrown tract tamed, is a reminder that redemption is not just a word. It's a choice, a lifestyle. WestFlow isn't just about faith. It's about action. We don't preach at people. We stand beside them, working shoulder to shoulder for a better world. We serve anyone. Christian, Muslim, Maori, atheist. You are welcome here. Because unity begins where judgment ends. We hitchhike with a cause. We host sausage sizzles to raise koha for gear. We clean parks. We offer a helping hand. We show up 7 days a week, rain or shine. We've been to dark places. We've seen the worst of what people can do to each other, and the best of what people can become. We are WestFlow Church. We don't need cathedrals or stained glass. The land is our chapel. The people are our sermon. Walking into a cleaner, kinder, unified Aotearoa. WestFlow, born in struggle, flowing in purpose.